Well, so it looks like I've got the second issue now with this car. Technically, this is the second, but I've had ongoing issues with the infotainment system, which Subaru has come out with updates for that have rectified some of it. Since that's a software issue, I'm not necessarily grouping this in with it, but now my infotainment doesn't have any audio at all. So the radio doesn't work. No matter what I go to, it doesn't work. AM. I'm not subscribed to Sirius, but this should still come up with something, but it doesn't. I've done the soft reset on the system. I've held down this, shut it off, held down both of them, shut it off that way, turned the car on and off several times. Nothing wants to do anything. So now the next step is to disconnect the main battery, let it sit for about 10 minutes, or hold down the brake pedal for 30 seconds just to discharge whatever residual electricity there is. So then you'll get a hard reset on the infotainment. Battery's disconnected. Now to wait. All right, let's see if anything changed. Need to tighten this up. Well, let's try it now. Just reconnect the battery. Okay, now it's beeping.
They have that one song.
And there it is. That's extremely irritating. So I'll keep an eye on this, see what's going on. But for those of you that have this issue with any Subaru vehicle, those are the steps that you go through, ending with disconnecting the battery from the entire car. So hopefully that fixes your issue. But that is definitely an annoyance. Anyways, stay tuned for more videos.